Majestically set on the bank of the Hudson River, with incomparable water and countryside views, this 1803 brick 4-bed, 4.1-bath Georgian Manor delights in every detail. The 4.5-acre professionally cared-for grounds offers every entertaining amenity, including a wide wraparound deck, formal boxwood garden, raised bed vegetable garden, 50-foot lap pool, charming gatehouse, and for the collector, separate garaging for 8 cars. In addition, there is direct river frontage, which includes rare riparian rights on the Hudson. Inside, a meticulous 6,900 square foot restoration with museum-quality architectural details deftly incorporates modern amenities coupled with a well-thought, well-executed addition. The results are perfection. The classic front-to-back entry welcomes you in and flows easily to each of the formal rooms. The rooms are warm and inviting, including the spacious gourmet kitchen with 6-burner stove and center island. Many of the rooms have hardwood floors and fireplaces, including most of the home's ample 4 bedrooms. There are 2 dining areas, including a formal dining room with fireplace. The living room and office also benefit from the ambience of captive flames. These are great spots to enjoy a good book or write one of your own. Conveniently located 12 miles from all the action in downtown Hudson, this spectacular historic mansion that stands guard on the shores of the mighty Hudson River is now ready and available for its next distinguished owner to enjoy.